Hi, in this series of videos, I will share with you on how I taught my son math when he was very little. I was inspired to do this after I read Glenn Doman's book on how to multiply your baby's intelligence. But first, let's sort out the logistics. You will need tokens. They should be of the same size and can very quickly and neatly be arranged into 2 rows of 5. I normally use these dominoes from some old toys. Yeah? The tiles of some Scrabble set could work too, but I suggest that you put a dot on its sides just to differentiate the breadth from the length. Yeah? This will keep you from fumbling because remember that speed matters when you teach an impatient toddler. And for a start, you can only keep each session to be within 3 minutes. You will need a clean and flat tabletop to work on. Either a floor or a table is fine, but if your table or floor top has print, I suggest you put a piece of white paper to define the space that you plan to work on. That will help your toddler's eyes to focus. But before we start, I would like to talk to you about symbols, right? Now, we will be using these pink tokens for this explanation. Now look at this one. What's the symbol to represent this quantity that I have on my left? Yeah. So sometimes people would say it is, they use this legally, they can use this, or they can use this. The English people use this word to represent 5. The Malay people use this to represent 5. And for counting purposes, the Chinese people also like to use this word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to show you another construct. Watch carefully. Now you tell me, what's the quantity over here? The quantity is 17, but arranged into a symbol of 5, isn't it? So, written symbols are actually a very abstract concept. So it is better not to confuse your child with this for the moment. The sound of your voice is sufficient. So, if your child is very creative and makes a squiggle to represent this quantity, just smile and let it be. It is not illegal. Now, are you ready to start? We'll see you at the next video.